Hello! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna answer the question, is there an Instagram screenshot story notification? So let's get started. The answer is no. Instagram does not send notification when your screenshot story. Today, I'm gonna demonstrate it to you. So let's go to the Instagram app. So I've posted my story in one of my account and I will screenshot it in my other account. So I'll open the other account. Then I will try to screenshot. Then I will go back to my account. So I will check to see if I've got any of the notification. I'm gonna go to the upper right hand corner and where the notifications are. So I'm gonna scroll down and see if there is notification for the screenshot which I did. So it's not here. So next thing to do is get back home and click on the upper right hand corner where your story is. Swipe up. So this is, you can see who viewed your story, and this is the place where you can get notification if you have one. So it's not here. So in conclusion, Instagram does not send you a notification when you screenshot a story. I hope this video helped you out. If you have questions, please put it in comments below and don't forget to subscribe and like.